Hi, this is Taylor with Juan Vans, and we're just going to give you a quick tour of one of our latest builds on this 2020 Ford Transit all-wheel drive platform. Let's take a look inside. So in this van, we did a custom finish with birch stained cabinets. We did a custom bench seat, Isotherm 85-liter refrigerator, full upper cabinets, and a collapsible sink and stove unit. Let's hop inside and take a look at all the details. So this van has a 2-burner Dometic sink stove combo unit, which are really cool. We've been using these in a lot of vans. It just pops up like that, collapses into the counter, makes for really efficient use of your limited space in a van. This van has these upper cabinets all throughout the van with the push lock hardware. It's really nice. We've got our Isotherm 85-liter refrigerator and little freezer in there too. Lots of storage for your food and drink. 7-gallon gray water tank right here. There's a 20-gallon wheel well freshwater tank in the back, along with our little propane canister for just running the stove. That's the only propane appliance in this van. And just some extra cabinets and drawers, and a custom bench with extra storage right here. All right, so looking towards the back of the van, we have a queen size mattress back here. We preserve the maximum width of the Transit to allow for this, what's called a short queen. So queen size width, but a little bit shorter in length. Our whole control system for our power centers right here. We got our dimmer for our overhead lights. We got our remote control for our roof mounted Maxxair fan, our Victron battery monitor, some reading lights, and our switch for our 1000 watt inverter that this van has. All right, so looking at the back of this van, we punched in these 2 windows, so getting some factory style rear windows. And you can take a look inside the back of the van. You can see what we did our utility cabinet finish with our 20-gallon wheel well water tank mounted on this side, along with our on-demand water pump, rear shower sprayer, and our water fills right here. A little access to where you can see some of your plumbing and connections in your water tank here. On this side, this is our entire electrical system of the van. We have everything lit up back here. Extra outlets, both 12 volt and 110 outlets back here. And you can see looking back in the power system here, this is our solar charge controller for the 200 watts of solar that's on the roof of the van, our 1000 watt energy inverter, and our Orion DC-DC charger to charge while you're driving, along with our 200 amp hour gel battery. So everything's back here really, really clean. Closes up, and you've got a ton of storage. All right, so taking a look at the windows in the back van, we get our window covers from XPLR Outfitters. And what we really like about these window covers is they kind of just accordion down in place, and they hold in with magnets. Really, really slick. And we have this on our rear windows and our screen slider window that I'll show you here in a second. Looking over here, you can see our XPLR Outfitters window cover for our AM Auto Glass screen slider window. These are really great windows because they open really big. And the XPLR Outfitters window cover just stows in place like that. Boom, pops down, and you got a whole blackout window cover with insulation. All right, so that's the tour of this 2020 Ford Transit all-wheel drive. This is a relatively simple build. We do these vans all the time. We do Transits, ProMasters, and Sprinters. And it's Juan Vans based in Southwest Colorado. Thanks for watching.